Hello everyone. As you all know, I'm your math teacher, Mr. Prashant Kumar Singh. Last time I told you already we are going to start today non-linear simultaneous equation and how to do with that innovative activities and all, and how this non-linear equation is non-linear homogeneous equation or non-linear simultaneous equation is going to help you. So practically in other way we say this equation like quadratic nonlinear. Quadratic nonlinear means one should be like a simultaneous equation, like here suppose y is equal to 2x plus 3 and another will be x square plus y square is equal to 2. So first one, what you have seen here, this equation is a equation of the straight line. Straight line means y is equal to mx plus c. So you all knows how to draw this graph. So if this graph is gradient is 2 and y-intercept is 3, so we are going to make here 1 2 3, and from here we will go 2 blocks up and 1 block right. So practically we are getting the line like positive slope in this direction, like is not exact graph I am drawing and roughly diagram I am doing here, so don't be confused about that. This is the equation. Now second equation is a circle equation. This is called a circle equation. Circle equation where center is 0 0, means practically a center is 0 0 and radius is root 2. Root 2 means 1.44. So I'm just giving a rough idea how it's going to work. For that reason, don't be get annoyed. Yeah, Mr. Prashant is talking what and it's not practically going to work, but yes, it will be work. Don't worry. Just give me 5 minutes. So this circle is going to go like that. So maybe they will touch somewhere 2 points here. So this is the meaning. Another part of the equation, suppose just like I'm going to say like some other equation, y is equal to 2x plus 1, and another part here a parabola y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 3. So you all knows very well a parabola, which is your like a value is here, just generally a quadratic equation that is called a parabola. So parabola up, why? Because the a value is here, a value is greater than 0. Those who already have the idea about the quadratic equation, they knows better. So this parabola maybe somehow it is going to work like when x is 0, then y is what? 3 we are getting here. So this might has to come like somehow 3 is here and your vertex is going to be like somewhere x plus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 3. So practically is going to be like x plus 1 whole square and plus 2. These all things I will tell you. So generally I am giving a parabola is here and this is going to cut by this line. So this line is a positive slope and cutting at x is equal to 1, and if 1 then is going to be like 3 somewhere, then 2, then 5 somewhere. So the line is going to go like somewhere here. So this is the 2 point where they're going to intersect. So what I'm going to talk to you all, non-linear simultaneous equation of two variable. Two variable means practically we are going to talk about x and y. So today you all don't be confused about that. I'm going to give the whole idea about that by considering not a very long videos. It would be around I think 35 to 40 minutes or maybe lesser than that, and I'll try to show 4-5 example of the questions. With the help of that you guys will be understand well. So just to start you all, suppose this topic you all going to do non-linear simultaneous equations. Alright, so see here what I'm going to do. There is some example which is I'm going to solve and you all will be understand how to solve it. Alright, so here the first question what I'm going to choose is that, see here, so this is here what we have, and right, so here we are going to do some question which is related to here I'm just getting the things only, like see here the first question is going to be here guys. Yeah, so here see here, this is here the question what I'm going to talk, and see here you all have to do here this is the equation what I'm saying. So x is equal to what here, like we will solve from here, x is equal to what, 3 minus 2x. Yeah, so this is a simultaneous equation or you can say like equation of line, this is here, and one equation is here, that is here like x square plus 3xy is equal to 10. So practically we are going to replace y or x, is up to you. Like here I am replacing x y because I feel when I will replace like x, so this is 3 minus 2 3 minus 2 here, like 3 minus 2 y, right. So 3 minus 2y I am going to write here, and it's going to be here. Now this x value what you have 3 minus 2y you replace in the place of, so this you can let equation number 1, this you can let equation number 2. So you put here, so x is equal to what here guys, 3 minus 2y, yeah, whole square, plus here 3, and you are going to get here 3 minus 2y into y is equal to 10. So open this brackets, you are getting here 3 minus 2y multiplied by what, 3 minus 2y, and plus 3 9, and here minus 6y, this also has to multiply by y is equal to 10. So here we are getting here 9, and then you know how to do like simple a minus b whole square formula, so you can apply here, and it's going to be like 9 minus 12y, and then after that 9 minus 12y and plus 4y square, right. Then here we are getting plus 9y minus 6y square is equal to 10. So 4 minus 6 we are getting here minus 2y square, minus 12 plus 9 means this and this is going to be minus 3y, and here is plus 9 and minus 10 is equal to 0. So here you are going to get like transfer everything that side, or maybe you can write minus 2y square minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So till here we are getting here like just this is going to change like 2y square plus here 3y and plus 1 is equal to 0, right. So if you get it till here, so we have to solve means I'm just showing you all here, like just see, just this I'm replacing because we have less space. For that reason here you see what we are going to do here, this is the equation what we have here. So we are going to do here 2y square and everything, so here like 2y square plus 3y and plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 factor, because this 2 multiplied, then you got here 2 into 1, 2 factor to get 3 is 2 and 1. So we got here guys 2y square plus 2y plus 1y plus 1 is equal to 0. So take here 2y common, because see 2 into 1 is 2 and factor of 2 to get 3 in the middle is that. So you'll be take 2y common, then what we are getting here, y plus 1 and plus 1 here common. So we are getting here y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we are getting here 2y here is common in both. So we are taking here y plus 1 common, and here is what, 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So here you are going to get y is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus half. So this is the two values of y you got. Once you get the two values of y, by solving this equation here, we have to get the value of x. So the value of x you can get from here by putting the value. Suppose the equation number 1 we have already here. Equation number 1 is y is equal to 3 minus 2y. So you are going to put in the place of y first, like here, sorry, what I wrote here by mistake, wrong here, x is equal to, so x is equal to 3 minus 2y. So you have, if y is equal to minus 1, we can write here, if y is minus 1, then x is going to be 3 minus 2 into minus 1. So x is equal to 3 plus, what is here guys, 2. So x is equal to 5. So one solution we got. Finally you can write the solution in the solution place. here 5, right, comma minus 1. Similarly, another solution and another one is going to be like put here, this you have x is equal to 3 minus 2y. So, put in the place of y here minus half, because we have the y value is here minus half. So, you are going to get here x is equal to 3 times 2 here and minus half. So, practically you are going to get 3 plus 1 is equal to, because this 2 to cancel, minus minus is plus 4. So, one solution we got 4 comma minus half. So, this is your final solution. So, if you want to know something like which is related to the graph, so I will just tell you here the x is equal to, here you have the line. So, line is here, like when, see here, when x is 0 then y is what, 3 by 2, I guess here. This is just like a rough sketch. You don't think like I am going to do a perfect sketch, because for perfect sketch we need a good scaling and everything, what I don't have time in lack of the shrinking the video time. Okay. So, here x is equal to 3 by 2 and sorry, when x is 0 then y is 3 by 2, and when y is 0 then x is equal to 3. So, I guess here 3, right. So, as we know our slope is negative, so graph will be moved down. So, this graph is going to go like that, right. Now, second equation we have here, just like y is equal to like 3 something reciprocal function. So, here we will solve, then we will get here y square something quadratic is 0. So, y is equal to, we are having 10x square over 10x, they will be also meet like from here y. So, you will be get somehow a parabola equation, maybe like purport, and this is the point of intersection, means you can say somewhere 5 and here maybe just went. So, one solution is here and one solution is there. So, this is the general meaning of this question, what you have to know. So, practically that's what's done. Now, I am going to search another question and I will solve for you also, your knowledge will be much more clear. At least I plan to do 3 to 4 questions to let you know like well this topic. So, another question I am going to take and we will solve that. So, here another question we are going to do here is going to be something which is related to, like, see here, this is here, this is also a part of, like, you know, this what I am going to talk. This is also, you have here, see, this is the equation number 1, this is a quadratic equation. So, quadratic in a sense means this is a kind of circle which radius is what, root 17, or because the standard formula of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to what, r square. Practically you have here only x square plus y square is equal to 17. So, your center means center is the circle is h and k, what you have here 0 and 0. So, that is why it is not existing here. So, if I will talk about the graph, so this graph is going to go like that. This is the circle, I just rough diagram I did it, where this radius is root 17, both side minimum maximum. This is the center. Now, second equation is going to be here like x is equal to minus 4y, or y is equal to, what is here, minus y is equal to minus 1 by 4 x. Yeah. So, when x is 0, y is 0, when x is 1, right, x is 1, then y is what, minus 1 by 4, minus 2 somewhere. So, this line is going to go like that. So, the point of intersection, I am just going to show you another, like one is here and one is here. So, these 2 points we are going to find. That is called like non-linear homogeneous equation. As I told you in my last video, simultaneous means very simple. Simultaneous you know very well, like 2 something I am writing here, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 and x minus or x plus something like 2y is equal to 2. So, how to solve that? This I already explained in my last videos. So, that is not we are going to talk anymore. There is another topic that is called 3 variable. That's also I will do in my next videos, but today we are only focusing about quadratic nonlinear homogeneous simultaneous equation or nonlinear simultaneous equation. Quadratic means any one, either x or y or both will be the in order of 2, what I am talking to you all. That is the quadratic, okay. And linear means x and y both has only 1 power, means degree is 1. Okay guys, so here see, this is the generally I told you how to do this part, and now I'm going to solve the question. This is the graph, that's I want to show you all first to understand. This is the graph of the picture, means what is the non-homogeneous equation is going to be here. One is the circle, and circle equation is here, another part is here. We have like that you can say your line which is going to touch at a point, and they are going to intersect at 2 points. That's we are going to find. Okay, come now I'm going to solve the question. How to solve, we will see here. Okay, so the question is going to be here, like what I told you is here. So say this is here the question, question is here, and we are going to do. So say I'm going to solve now. So from here we are getting once again y is equal to, from equation number 2, 4y is equal to what is here guys, minus x. So y is equal to minus x, and this 4 will go down, 4. This you let equation 1. And the second equation we have already here, x square plus y square is equal to 17, right? So now this is equation number 2. As you know, it's like how to talk. So simultaneous equation both are, and it's non-linear. So I'll replace the value of y, this value of y, in equation number 2. So what we are getting here, say x square plus what is here, minus x over 4 whole square is equal to 17. This question is going to be little bit like long and everything, but you all see when you'll be see, you'll be understand. So here x square plus, you'll be in this, then you are going to get like x square over 16 is equal to 17 here, right? Now make denominator same here, so multiply here by 16 and 16. So we are going to get our in like how you all know, take the LCM 16 and 16 multiply by 1. So here 16x square plus 1x square is equal to 17. Now we can do cross multiplication guys here. So what we are getting, 16 plus 1 is 17, right? And x square over 16 is equal to, here is 17. Yeah, so as last we have to do cross multiplication. So we are getting here 17 x square is equal to here 16 times 17, right? 16 times 17. So here x square is equal to 16 times 17 divided by 17. 17 got cancelled. So finally you are going to get here, like I'm showing you all, look here, x square is equal to 16, because this 17 got cancelled. As you know, like this square will go that side, so it's going to be square root. So x is equal to plus minus square root 16. So x is equal to plus minus 4. So two solution we got here, one is equal to plus 4, and I'll find the value of y, and second equation we are getting here minus 4. These two values will be put like here in equation number this. So y is equal to, you are getting here, if suppose x is equal to, we are writing here x is equal to, we are writing here like plus 4. So y is what here guys, minus 4 over 4 got cancelled, so minus 1. This is minus 1. What I told you in the diagram, if you remember, it was something like that, and the line was cutting here. Okay, so here, and if you put here y is equal to, means x is equal to here minus 4, then here we have minus 4 over 4, and this 4 and 4 got cancelled. So 4 cancel, minus is 1, so we are going to get here plus 1. So this is our two intersection point which is going to relate your graph, and this is called non-linear homogeneous equation, what you all have to know. So this, in order to go one more question, that would be maybe the last question, or maybe one more if I have time, then I will do, because as I told you, today I'm going to make only 4 or 5 examples to understand this topic, and this topic is non-linear homogeneous equation. And in my next video maybe I will just show you all like how to solve like 3 variable non-linear equation or 3 variable simultaneous equation. here. So see, once again you will guys here clear on screen, and we are going to go for like another question that would be like not very hard but not that easy. I'm just choosing like that. Okay, so this is here what we have the question. Look, once again maybe this question we have done, so no point to talk about that here. Look, another question here what we have, suppose this. All right, so this is a question which is just related to a parabola, and what we have to do, this is the parabola, like as I told you, I'll show you the diagram also. So this is your question, you have y is equal to x square minus 5. If you'll be plot this graph, so as you know this is a parabola graph, so this is your y axis, this is your x axis. When x is 0, that y is equal to going to be, what is here guys, minus 5. I just guess, not accurate graph, means not on a scale. Basically we say that not on a scale, practically roughly diagram we are doing to understand what is going on in the question. So here and then you will be solved for x, means what I'm talking, once I'm talking about y axis. So as I told you in my last videos and so many times in my other videos, if you are confused, you can see y axis or is called y-intercept. So we put x is equal to 0. So from here, like this equation, put x is 0, so y is equal to 0 minus 5, so y is equal to minus 5. That's what I guess here. Okay, after getting till here, we have to do like now x axis. So x axis is here, like x axis, so x axis means, or we say x intercept. So for x intercept we have to do y is equal to 0. So you put y 0, so 0 is equal to x square minus 5. So here x square minus 5, so x square is equal to 5. So we are getting here x is equal to plus minus root 5. Okay, so one side here root 5 is nearly 2.3, 2.1 like that, so we can guess here root 5. Another part we can guess here minus root 5, and the graph is going to go parabola up, or we say this is parabola up or concave up, parabola up, or also another name is called concave up. These all things for A level and IB students are very important. For IG people the graph structure is not there, but yeah, for A level it might has to be, and you must have to know about this all translation, reflection, rotation of the graph. Maybe that's also it, all things will become in my next up videos. So don't worry and wait till that time, like slowly I'm trying to cover all the topic, how much and how far I can go you all will know by my seeing the videos and everything. Alright, so here what we have done till here is concave up, and this point is called what point guys? Minimum point. This point is called minimum point. What is the name of that? Minimum point. Okay, there is the vertex also, we can find easily that vertex is here 0 and minus 5. Forget about that. Now come to the graph. This I am going a shortcut way. The y-intercept is here minus 2, so I guess here minus 2. From here the slope is 2, so I will go 2 block up and 1 block right. So my graph is going to go like that. See here, this is the graph. Okay, so this is my 2 point of intersection, what I am going to find here. Okay guys, so this 2 point of intersection will get, and that is our solution. I will talk about that now. So look how to work it out. So just I'm clearing the ink here, and you all guys can get more space to just see how it's going to work. Alright, so you know this is your equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2, and by luck so many times I told you this is the, you can say, transitivity rule also. A is equal to B, and if A is equal to C, so directly who is equal to who? B is equal to C. So this thing I'm going to do here, and you will be fine here just what is going on. So this is your equation number 1, this is your equation number 2, and both are y equal, so x will be equal, so x square minus 5 is equal to what we are getting here, 2x minus 2. Alright, so here we have to write x square and transfer everything one side and make equal to 0. So x square minus 2x then plus 2 and minus 5 already there. So, we are getting here equal to 0. Means generally all the term we have to transfer one side and make it a quadratic equation, and then we have to solve for x. So, here I am going to do x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to what is here 0. As you know, this is here 1, so factor is very easy. So, 3 into 1, 3 minus 3 into 1, so minus 3 2 factor to get here minus 2. So, we are going to get here the 2 factor is minus 3 and plus 1. So, you can do long way also, or you can write in shortcut here x minus 3 here, and another answer is what, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, two solutions are x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. Once you get the values of x, you can write here on the answer place. This is your solution place, what they give in IGCSE question or A-level question when they give the topic or past paper or something. I just collected from there and I am solving for you all. So, here or sometime I make my question and you all can get easily. So, here the one solution x is 3. So, put x is equal to 3 in the second equation. Do not take the quadratic one. Even you want to take quadratic, no problem, you can use it. See, I am just using another ink. So, you can easily understand like here and here also I am just using y is equal to 2x minus 2. So, 2 times 3 minus 2 is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4, guys. So, one solution is 3 comma 4. So, this is ordered pair coordinate axis. So, this is your x, this is your y, please do not forget. And the second one is we are going to use another solution minus 1. So, you can use here like y is equal to here 2x, like 2x minus 2. So, you put here y is equal to 2 times minus 1 minus 2. So, we are getting here minus 2 minus 2, so comma minus 4. Okay. Sometimes some kids are confused, oh Miss Prashant, how do we know like we are right or wrong? So, there is a very shortcut method. You can just put your solution in the equation and you can solve. So, for this you are going to do here like take the left hand side. So, here we have here y is equal to what is, guys, x square minus 5. Put here, if you are talking about the first equation to check. So, here y is equal to 4 and x is here 3. So, 3 square minus 5. So, 4 is equal to 9 minus 5. So, you got 4 is equal to 4. So, you can easily say now my left hand side, right, left hand side, right, my left hand side is equal to, I am using some other pen, is equal to here right hand side. What is that, guys? Right hand side. So, this you can. If you want to solve this question, either you can take a screenshot and you can just save in your phone and you can solve, or just you see my video and you can pause and see, and after that you can solve. So, there is many more questions what we can solve and tell, but as I told you, I am not going to make the video long. So, 3 examples would be enough, and I give many examples which is related to. So, this parabola I told you, this if you want to know the graph in short way. So, this graph is going to be like here minus 5, the graph will go like that, and your line is going to be like here 2x minus 2, so is a positive slope. And what I am talking, there is a shortcut way, maybe I do not know in India the teacher teach or not, but here I am just telling you a shortcut way. There is a Y-Intercept Form. This topic is really good, it's called data analysis, or maybe you can predict the future of so many things which is related to straight lines. So, for that I have to go C, or some people say y is equal to mx plus b. So, first we have to go to the b, y-intercept. So, y-intercept is what here, guys? Minus 2. From minus 2, look, the gradient means m. M is what here, guys? Y over x. Y over x means we have here 2 over 1. That is also called rise over run. So, how many block will we go up? 2. And how many block, right? 1. So, that is why I am going to say the line will be here, and this is our 2 intercept point. So, 1 intercept point you want to know where is that. So, we can use here, this point is here, this one, you know, like minus 1 comma minus 4. Another point what we have here is this like 3 comma 4. So, this is the 2, and sometime in A level we say, suppose a perpendicular line is going to cut the 2 points you got, like that is A and B. I'm just going to the detail for A level. So here 2 points you have A like 3 and 4. 1 point A is 3 and 4 and B is -1 and -4. So how to calculate the perpendicular line bisector? Perpendicular line bisector means in these 2 points where this point will go. So for that reason you have to check, suppose anyone you can let A and B. I wrote here A and B, so this is your A and this is your B. So for that midpoint you will be get from here by using the midpoint formula, and as you all know, the midpoint formula is what? X1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is what? 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and then after that 4 minus 4 is 0. So your point of passing through the line is here 0, 0, means 1 and 0 is not a actual graph, that's why not coming exact. I told you this is not on a scale. So your point is 1 and 0. So with the help of these 2 points you can find the gradient. After getting the gradient you are getting a perpendicular equation of line. So you will be do reciprocal, means negative reciprocal, because for perpendicular the condition is what? m1 times m2 is equal to -1. So this topic I will also teach you soon, that is called coordinate geometry. I didn't even reach there because I'm just going step by step. So I'm just covering algebra section. So after that I will start this topic, because as you all know maths is so huge, and that's why I say maths is the mother, or math is the father of all the subject. Without maths we cannot survive, and maths is a core subject. That's why I'm more interested, and I'm just sharing my knowledge in respect of to make all people, those who have a fear of the maths or anything and they feel maths is a difficult subject, I don't think so. So because it's only practice, and I'll say only not able by doing the practice you will be very good, is also need to click in your mind. So practically you don't try to memorize the question, you try to understand the concept of the question and what really question is saying to you. As for example, suppose so many people only solve the question. Why my video is long? Because I explain and tell why this is happening, and that is called like intellectual knowledge, or you can say is kind of a practical knowledge, why I am solving non homogeneous equation. So I told you there is a parabola graph, there is a line, they are intersecting at 2 points, so we are finding that 2 points. This is also very useful for space scientists, those who are working for that. And as I know with my own knowledge, like suppose we have 2 points on the space, or maybe suppose one where we are talking about India, and or maybe we are talking about Thailand, or maybe we are talking about like America, and 2 like particular state I choose, and I want to put a satellite system. So how I will calculate where exactly the place will be? So this is a part of locus. There is so many good and beautiful things in math what people can imagine and tell you. So I'm going to be little bit talkative today, sorry, don't mind it, it's the last part of the video. I'll take 1 more minute. So that's we can exactly calculate. So with these 2 points we can just find the what? Side bisector, and you all know side bisector means take more than half of the line, cut here, this will be the place. So we'll see the radius of this country, then see the radius of this country, in between where the place is good, where is going to cover the more area, we will put the satellite system, or maybe like our radar system or whatever, to catch the more things and whatever. So fine, this is a small and brief idea about that, don't worry about that, and you wait for my next video. In next video maybe I'll teach you how to solve simultaneous equation of 3 variable. Okay guys, so I hope you all are enjoying my class and seeing and understanding. If you find any doubt or any kind of problem, so you can comment me, you can WhatsApp to me, you have my number over there, or email me whenever I'll feel free, or maybe if you will be asked, I'm already ready 24/7. But yeah, sometime I have many classes and also I will be might be busy. For that reason I will not reply soon, but what? Whenever you'll be try and put a comments, and you'll be enjoy my video, then I will really try to reply, and forever I will reply. Okay guys, so good luck. I hope you all guys will be understand the quadratic simultaneous equation or nonlinear simultaneous equation, and that's enough for today. Good luck, see you all in my next videos, and next videos will be simultaneous equation of 3 variable. Anything else, how I will get my time and everything, I'll try to do it. Okay guys, good luck, take care, goodbye. Okay, bye.